The expensive part of an AI agent is not always the difficult part, and most systems pay frontier model prices for both. Here's how to stop. Give an autonomous coding agent a task, and it may call a language model dozens of times, reading files, proposing edits, interpreting errors, rewriting functions, checking its own work. Only a handful of those calls truly need the strongest model. Yet many systems send every step to the same premium one. That's convenient and an expensive way to build software. A better architecture separates routine iteration from high-value judgment. A cheaper model handles the repetitive loop. It reads the immediate context, proposes the next change, responds to test failures. A frontier model enters only at the control points: planning, reviewing architecture, resolving an impasse, approving the final result. We use DeepSeek for the high-volume work and Claude for the decisions where extra intelligence is worth paying for. The point isn't to pretend the models are interchangeable. They're not. It's to stop buying premium reasoning for work that doesn't require it. One serious caveat before any of this: routing proprietary source code or client data to a third-party model, DeepSeek included, is a data governance decision, not a cost decision. Check your retention, regional processing, and contractual obligations first. A cheaper endpoint is not automatically an acceptable endpoint. It gates everything else. And the integration is surprisingly small because DeepSeek exposes an Anthropic-compatible endpoint. You can talk to it with the same SDK you already use for Claude. The provider changes through client configuration, not by rewriting the application around it. That's the architectural change that matters. A cheap model on the loop, a frontier model on the decisions, and a clear-eyed view of what leaves your network. Do that, and you stop paying frontier prices for work that never needed them. And that's the series. 3 levers: pick a cheaper model where you can, cut the context you resend, and split the providers so frontier reasoning is reserved for the decisions that earn it. All 3 articles are linked below. Thanks for watching.